In this video, I'll show you how to change clothes color in Lightroom Mobile quickly and naturally, even if you're a beginner. This is a great trick for creating different looks, fixing outfit colors, or making your photos stand out without needing Photoshop. And best of all, you can do it right on your phone in just a few simple steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy photo editing tips. All right, let's jump in. First, open your photo in Adobe Lightroom Mobile. The key to changing clothes color is to isolate the clothing area first, so tap on Masking. From there, you can choose Brush, or if Lightroom detects your subject well, you can start with Select Subject and then refine the mask manually. If you use Brush, paint over the clothes you want to edit. Take your time here, because the cleaner your selection is, the better the final result will look. If you accidentally paint over skin, hair, or background, use the Erase tool to clean up the edges. Zoom in closely while masking so you can get a much more precise selection. Once your clothes are selected, go into the color adjustments inside the mask. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Color and look for the Hue slider. Hue is what lets you shift the color from one tone to another. For example, if the shirt is blue, you can move the Hue slider to push it toward red, purple, green, or another shade depending on the original color. Move it slowly and watch the changes live so you can stop when it looks realistic. The goal is not just to change the color, but to make it blend naturally with the photo. After that, adjust saturation and luminance. Saturation controls how intense or vivid the new color appears. If the clothes look too dull, increase saturation a little. If the color looks too strong or fake, lower it slightly. Then use luminance to make the color brighter or darker. This is very useful if the new color needs to match the lighting in your photo. A lighter luminance can make fabric look softer and brighter, while a darker luminance can give it a deeper, richer tone. Next, fine-tune the result with Temp and Tint. Temperature helps you make the color warmer or cooler, and Tint helps correct any strange green or magenta tones that may appear after editing. These two sliders are really important if you want the clothing color to look believable. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so avoid pushing them too far unless you want a stylized effect. Here are a few important tips to keep in mind. This method works best when the original clothing color is simple, like a plain shirt, jacket, or dress. If the fabric has a lot of patterns, highlights, or multiple colors, the change may look less realistic. Also, if you try to shift the color too far from the original, the result can start to look fake. For the most natural effect, make subtle changes and always compare before and after. Once you're happy with the look, save your edit and export the photo. That's it. You've just learned how to change clothes color in Lightroom Mobile using masking, hue, saturation, luminance, and color temperature controls. It's a fast, powerful edit that can completely transform your image while still keeping it natural. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Lightroom Mobile tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.